Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to allow our applications to have access to our call logs in Samsung Galaxy S22. To grant application access to our call logs, we need to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, and here we have Permission Manager. In Permission Manager, we have every possible permission that our phone can have. We are interested in call logs. As of right now, as you can see, 7 out of 11 installed applications are allowed to use our call logs. Let's add more. Let's say we want our, for example, Galaxy wearable to be allowed to use our call logs functions in our phone. Allow, back out, and now this app is now allowed to use our logs. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.